Morning. Start recording. Om Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadaram Dhyahet Sarvavighnopashantahe. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadithamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजानन महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रभाठी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, welcome everyone. So I know Sangeeta Prasad and Srividya Ramesh are not able to join, but Srividya Sriram will be joining a few minutes late. So anyway, we can start. So in Sangeeta, you can be a student, and then I wasn't sure if Jayashree was going to join, but
I can be too, Rajesh.
yeah, நீங்க வேணா ரமேஷ் நீங்க ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருங்க இன்னைக்கு. Okay, so you and Sangeeta can be students. Okay, so our last time on the 21, I think we finished till like about three stanzas, right? So let's kind of finish that. I'll tell the meaning of that, and then we'll get started with the rest. So now for reference, I just kind of sent two images, right? So you kind of can follow that as we are saying that, as you know, tell where it is. So in the chapter, each of the stanzas in this chapter 21 is worshipping one form of the Lord. So each of the stanza is a meditation or a prayer or a worship, right? So each stanza is a kind of important one. So the first one, मद्योद्भवे भुवैलावृतनाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधानवनिता जनमात्रभाजी शर्वेण मन्त्रनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानं सङ्कर्षणात्मकमधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम्. So the first place that's getting referred to is this place called Ilavrita. Ilavrita Varsha. So, right, if you kind of look at where it is kind of in the Himalaya region, right? And the Everest, and the region is kind of that portion of that region. So, in that region, so that place and the Kailasha, the peak, Kailasha peak, right? So, some people refer to, okay, that is the center of the earth, is where that is happening. People, if you Google, it will say that, right? So, Andamari, it says Madhyodbhave. It says this place is the middle of the earth. I don't know by what basis or definition they're saying that, but Bhagavatam is saying this place is the middle of this earth, is this place called Ilabrita. Ilabrita is the name of the place. And there it says that place is Gauri Pradhana Manita. Gauri means is referring to the Gauri, the Parvati, and Bhanita Jana Matrabaji, saying that place Gauri is predominantly the worship deity in that place by all the women who live in that area. So in every stanza here, Bhattalpadi is saying, Samshrayetvam, I take refuge in you, O Krishna, O Lord, in who is present in the form of some person in that region. So in this Ilavrita region, he's saying, I am taking refuge in you, who is present in the form of Sankarshana. Sankarshana is referring to kind of like also Adi Shesha, would other name is Sankarshana also. So Sankarshana is, it's the it's one of the forms of the Lord. So you are there in that form. So I'm praying to you in that form as Sankarshana who is there. And you are also worshipped in that region by mantra nutibihi, by mantras and various hymns, by Sharvena, by Shiva in the form of Ardhanarishwara. So Shiva in the form of Ardhanarishwara is worshipping you in that region. So I am praying to you in the form of Sankarshana in this region of Ilavrita, which is where there is a lot of women who think of Gauri Parvati as their chief. That is stanza 1. Second, भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्षिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देव हयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्. So இப்போ இந்த இலாவிரத்தாலிருந்து they're saying go east. Purva Varshe. Ilavrita Purva Varshe. So to the east of the region of Ilavrita is Bhadrashwa Namaka. So it's a region called Bhadrashwa. So in that Bhadrashwa, right, Adhyayami, I am meditating on you, who has taken Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam. Hayashirsha means the one who has the head of a horse. So Hayagriva, right? So the Hayagriva, so Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam, you are there, I'm worshipping you in that form, who is really famous for, because and the region is supposed to be in the Bhadrash and the region originally long time back, right? We don't know now, but the region is supposed to consist of a lot of sages. So those sages who are actually there, rishis, they are called as Bhadrashravobhi. Bhadrashravobhi Rishibihi in Vardalanartha, that is referring to the sages who live in the region of Bhadrashva, who are also worshipping you constantly with the Vedas. And so I am worshipping you in the form of Hayagriva, because Hayagriva is a restorer of the Vedas, right? So in that region, I'm worshipping you and meditating on you in the form of Hayagriva.
So in the Bhadrashramanla தானே இந்த நர நாராயணர் அவா ரெண்டு பேரும் கூட வந்துட்டு they did.
Correct. Exactly. And Kapilopakyan, because I just taught Kapilopakyanam to Neetika some class. So recently. So even there, Kapila, but says he's residing in the northeast. For the benefit of everybody, he's residing in the northeast. And in the Ramayana, in the Sagara or king sends his sons to Ashwamedha Yaga. It is in the northeast. So exactly in the, some people say that specific ashram is Badrinath abdine, but that whole region, according to this map definition, is Bhadrashva. Okay. So next third. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. So next, and the Ilavrita is a reference. So Ilavrita ke south, Dakshinagate. So if you now go towards the south of Ilavrita, it's saying is the portion of Harivarsha. So mine is a black and white map. Yeah, Harivarsha. So Harivarsha seems like a little bit to the north of Kashmir and the region Mari period from the map, right? So to the south of Ilavarsha, in the region called as Harivarsha. So you are worshipped by Prahlada Mukhya Purushaihi. So Prahlada and others are worshipping you in that form, in the form of Narahari, right? So in the form of Narasimha Murti. So you are getting worshipped there in the form of Narasimha Murti. And here he says, who is Uttunga Shanta Dhavala. Uttunga is tall, Shanta is calm, and Dhavala is white. So Andartha Narasimha Murti is in a very calm fashion. So they are worshipping you in that region where you are very calm and you are in the white color. And Eka Shuddha Jnana Pradman, you are bestowing the highest knowledge. So as Narasimha Murti, so they are worshipping you in that. So I am meditating on you in that form. In stanza 3. Now we'll go to stanza 4. वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्या प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्. So next, Varshe Pratichi. Pratichi is the west. So the region which is to the west of Ailavrita is this region where they're calling as, which is Ketumala. So Ketumala Pata, it is kind of getting into the Pakistan, Afghanistan, that region, right? So Ketumala, so in the region of Ketumala, which is Lalitatmani, which is very beautiful. So in that, you are taking the form of Dhrita Kamatanum, you're taking the body of Kamadeva. So you're in the form of Kamadeva there. For Tasya Priyaya, for your like for your lover Mari, right? So Priya is your person who is devoted to you. So in this form for Lakshmi Devi. So for Lakshmi Devi, you are taken the form of Kamadeva in that region, right? And there you are worshipped by Lakshmiya, by Lakshmi, and by Prajapati Sutaihi. Sutai is sons. So Prajapati's sons, you are worshipped in the form of Kamadeva. So I'm meditating on you in that form, in that region. So Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale, Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmiya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishevyamanam, so in the Ketumale kapram, the Nishevyamanam kapram, then Tasyaha is there, so put a if to join. Tasyah Priyaya Dhrita Kama Tanum Bhaje Tvam. Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmiya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishevyamanam Tasya Priyaya Dhrita Kamatanum Bhaje Tvam.
वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनिकेतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गं लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमाणं तस्याः प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम् वर्षे प्रतीचि लीला विशेष ललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गं लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमाणं तस्याः प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्
वर्षे प्रदीच ललितात्मनिकेतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गं लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुदैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्या प्रियाय कृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्
धृत कामतनु.
तस्या प्रिय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम् वर्षे प्रदीच ललितात्मनिकेतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गं लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुदैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्या प्रियाय कृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्
धृत D.
तस्या प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्.
Correct.
Right, thank you.
Stanza 5. रम्ये ह्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमानं भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तं. So now Udichi Disha is north. So now in this Udichi Disha of Ailavrata is another, he says Ramyaka is another beautiful region where Ramyaka Namni Varsha, the name itself is Ramyaka Varsha. So if you see, it is kind of the tip of the Kashmir under above Harivarsha, right, is that region there. So in that Ramyaka Varsha, you are being worshipped by Tad Varshanartha Manuvarya. So the Manu, who is the current Manu, who is the ruler of this whole universe, this current Manu, he is worshipping you in that region in Matsya Kritim, in the form of a fish. So Matsya Avataram is worshipping you in the form of a fish. So, O Bhuvananatha, O Lord of the universe, I am worshipping you, Bhaje Bhavantam, I am worshipping you, who is Bhavate, who's very kind to all the devotees, right? And then who's shining in their hearts, etc. So essentially, you're worshipping in the form of the Matsya Avataram, you're worshipping the Lord in the form of fish in that Ramyaka Namni Varshe. So Ramye Hyudichi, it's a half ha there. Hyudichi Khalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe, comma, Tadvarsha Nath Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalam. So you can kind of break it as Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara, or you can say it together Vatsalam Amatsara together, that's also fine. So Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara Kritsu Bhantam, comma, Matsyakritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam. Ramye Hyudhichi Khalu Ramyakanaamni Varshe Tadvarshanathamanuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalamamatsarahrutsubhantam Matsyakritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam.
Rajesh, and the first word வந்து ரம்யே இப்பல முடிக்கணுமா இல்ல ரம்யே?
Ramye, just Ramye.
ரம்யே. Okay, அப்புறம் ஹ்யுதீச்சி.
Hyudhichi.
ரம்யே ப்யுதீச்சி கலு.
Sorry, Sangeeta, இப்ப இல்லைங்க, எனக்கு இப்பன்னு கேட்டது. I don't know, நான் சொல்லும்போது இப்பன்னு கேட்டதா சபிதா?
Because we have a half ip there, Rajesh.
Yeah, அதனால தான் half ip இருக்கிறதுனால தான் கேட்டேன்.
ரம்யே இருக்கு போட அந்த ஆவோட சிம்பல் போட then we have a half.
பியூன் வருமா ரம்யே பியூன் வருமா?
ரம்யே ப்யுதீச்சி.
Ramye
I don't know why. No, I haven't seen that. Nobody else has said it before. So
Okay, so the
yeah,
you take off the so Ramye Yudichi.
Ramye Hyudichi. Avalana.
Is it you or Hugh?
Hugh. Hyu. Hugh.
Okay, because I have totally different here. இதுல வந்துட்டு half per and you போட்டிருக்கு.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
It's
PU ன்னு நினைச்சேன் நான். அதனால தான் என்னுடைய இது
okay, okay, okay.
பியூதிச்சியான்னு.
Hugh. Hyu. Hyudichi.
Ramye Hit.
எங்களுக்கு பி இருக்கறனால ரம்யேக்கு அப்புறம் பியூதிச்சியோன்னு நினைச்சேன் நாங்க.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay. रम्ये ह्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमाणं भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम् रम्ये ह्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथुमनुवर्य सपर्यमाणं भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम्
Ramye Hyutichi Kalu Ramyakanamni Varshe Tatvarshanadamanuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalamatsarahritsa Subhantam Matyas Kridam Matsya Kritam Bhuvananada Bhaje Bhavantam Ramye Hyutichi Kalu Ramyakanamni Varshe Tatvarshanadamanuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalamatsarahritsupantam Matsyakritam Bhuvananada Bhaje Bhavantam
Matsyakritim. Okay, so kadasi line, fourth line.
Matsyakritim. Okay.
Yeah, Kritim. Yeah.
Matyakritim Bhuvananada Bhaje Bhavantam.
So I was just thinking, is it he plus Udichi? Is it what you guys have, like Sankita and Sabita? He.
Pew.
Okay, that doesn't even make sense because he and Udichi is Hyudichi. So he, he plus Udichi makes it Hyudichi. So I was thinking maybe in your book they separated it that way. Anyway, no worries.
Ramye, then the yes, for pass, and then pew.
Okay, no worries. Anyway, at the end of the day, Udichi is the word. Adik minnadi, whether you have P or he is the question really at the end of the day. But in the Udichi is the north, it's referring to north there. So, Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayamautaraham Asina Madridhriti Karmathakamatangam Samsevate Pitrgana Pravaroryamayam Tam Twam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman. So now, first he was talking about Ramyaka Namni Varshe in the previous one. So now they're saying to the north of the region of Ramyaka is this region called Hiranmaya region. So in the English term it says Hiranya Varsha, which Sanskrit they're saying is Hiranmaya region. So that seems like a little bit north of the Pakistan or maybe Kashmir region or the north Afghanistan and the area probably. So Hiranmaya region, in that region which is north of that. So there, yes, he's saying you are residing in the form of Karmatha, so which is a tortoise. So you are worshipped there in the form of a tortoise, which is capable of Kamathangam, which is capable of carrying the whole Mandara mountain in the Kurmavataram, which we are going to kind of get into 28 today, right? So so it is capable of carrying it. So Andamari or a tortoise, you are worshipped in that form. So there you are also worshipped by Pitrghana. Pitrghana is the chief of the Pitras. So Pitras are our ancestors. So the chief of the Pitras also worships you in that form in that region. So yeah, Varsham Hiranmaya.
The Varshen irukku. I think Varsham, is it?
Yeah, just change it to Varsham. I don't know when Varshe versus Varsham what applies, but
Okay.
so Varsham, Hiranmaya, again that half her is coming there. Samahvayam. Samahvayam, you are breaking it right now. Auta, then it becomes auta, right? Because in the im irukku, so it's Samahvayam auta or Samahvayam auta, whatever. Raham, put im at the end of the first line. So Varsham, Hiranmaya, Samahvayam auta Raham, comma. And then next line in the ma changes to a. So asinam adri dhriti karmatha kamatangam. Asinam adri dhriti karmata kamatangam. Samsevate pitrgana pravarorya mayam. Pravarorya mayam, comma. Tam tvam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman. Varsham hiranmaya samahvayamautaraham asinammadridhriti karmatakamatangam samsevate pitrgana pravaroryamayam tam tvam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman.
Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayamautaraham Asinam Adridriti Karmatakamatangam Samsevate Pitrghana Pravaroryamayam Ami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman. Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayamautaraham Asinam Adridriti Karmatakamatangam Samsevate Pitrghana Pravaroryamayam Tam Tvam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman.
Varsham Hiranmaya Samahya Vayamautaragam Asinamadhriditi Karmatakamatangam Samsevate Pitrigana Pravaroryamayam Tam Tvam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman. Varsham Hiranmaya Samaha
Samahvaya.
Samahvaya.
Yeah.
Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayamautaragam Asinamadhriditi Karmatakamatangam Samsevate Pitrikana Pravarodyamayam Tam Tvam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman.
Stanza 7. किंचोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रियया धरण्यां संसेवितो महित्रमन्त्रनुतिः प्रभेदैः दंष्ट्रार्गघृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते. So next, the Hiranmaya region further north is the region of the Kuru. Right, so Kurukshetra, Alam, because the Kurus came from the north, they came from the Russia, current Russia region. So on the Kurus, so in that region known as the Kuru region, you are worshipped. He's saying along with Priyaya Dharanya. Dharani is earth, right? So Priyaya Dharanya is with your wife, with your consort, who is actually Mother Earth, with various mantra, Mahita mantra nutipi, means with various mantras and hymns and everything. So there he is saying you are worshipped in the form of Yajna Varaha Murte. So Varaha Avataram, right? The avataram of the boar, which is where the Mother Earth was lifted in the tusk. So you are worshipped in the form of the Yajna Varaha Murte by Mother Earth as well as others. And this Varaha Murte is Damstra, is the tusk, right? So Damstragra Grishta Gana Krishta Varishta Varshma and the line Anaka, who's you have that is such a huge body, because if you remember that avataram, the Varahamurti had to go all the way to the Patala, Satala to lift the Mother Earth. And it was a huge, massive body. So saying you got a really large body as if the tusks are touching the sky. And the Mari just give a referencing for the size of it. So you are in such a massive form. So you are worshipped in the Yajna Varahamurti form in the Kuru region. kinchothareshu. So kincha uttareshu, that's the thing. So kinchothareshu kurushu priyaya dharanya, comma, samsevito mahita mantra nuti prabhedaihi. So the next line, a little bit of a tongue twister. Damshtragra. So the best way to write in English should be D-A-M, dam, right? Not dam, but dam, D-A-M-S-H, dam shared there. Then there's a tra, then a gra. So damshtragra. Damshtragra, grishta, ghana, prishta, garishta, varshma, comma, tvam pahi vignanuta yajna varahamurte. Kinchothareshu kurusha priyaya dharanyam samsevito mahita mantra nuti prabhedaihi damshtragra grishta ghana prishta garishta varshma tvam pahi vignanuta yajna varahamurte.
किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रियया धरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रियया धरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते
किंचोत्तरेषु गुरुषु प्रियया तरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतु
Nuti prabhedaihi.
प्रपेतैः दंष्ट्राकृष्टगणभृष्टकरिष्टवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते. करेक्टा?
Correct.
किंचोत्तरेषु गुरुषु
Sorry, and Ramesh, and the first line, kin, இது not im, and the in sound வரணும் அது. Kinchothareshu.
इम साउंड वर्णमा.
ஆமா.
किंचोत्तरेषु गुरुषु प्रियया तरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतु प्रपेतैः
Nuti prabhedaihi.
संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुति प्रपेतैः दंष्ट्राकृष्टघनभृष्टकरिष्टवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते.
Correct. And the first line again, it's in, n, not im. I don't know if it came clear. N.
किम्मा किम्मन् किन्न
Kin. Kith and kin. Kinchothareshu.
KIM போட்டஸ் கரெக்டா இருக்குமா?
இல்ல அந்த M and N வந்து ஒரே இது.
என்ன நான்சி M தான் இருக்கு.
ஆமா, அது because it's kim plus cha makes it kinchothareshu. That's why. So KIN, when you're saying it together, it becomes kinchothareshu because it's a nya sound. The nya இருக்கு இல்லையா? அந்த nya.
Okay.
So ki nya cha. Those are the three letters there.
किंचोत्तरेषु.
Yeah. Okay. Stanza 8. Yam hyam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata dhrida bhakti bhaja sita birama paramadbhuta rupashali ramatmakah parilasan paripahi vishnu. So next, in the Ilavrita, so we kind of saw all the regions which were in the north and all of that of Ilavrita. So next is saying Ilavrita oda yam hyam disham bhajati. When you now come to the south of Ilavrita, is this region called Kim Purushakya. Kim Purusha is the name of the Varsha, is the name of the region there. So that Kim Purushakya Varsha, in that region, you are now worshipped as Hanumata. You are worshipped as Hanuman in that region. Drida Bhakti Bhaja, who actually has very firm, who has very strong devotion to you. Bhattatripad is saying to you, which is Hanuman, generally his devotion is to Rama. So Bhattatripad is saying it's to you in first person. And then she says, oh Vishnu, you protect me. You are shining there as Ramatmaka. You are shining in that region as Lord Rama. So please, protect me. And that form of yours is, so resplendent and so shining that Sita Abhirama, Sita is like falling for you, right? For that form of yours. So that Rama, please help me out. Or I'm meditating on that form of Rama. Stanza 8. So Yam Yam Disham Bhajati. In there it is Im. Kim Purushakya Varshe, because it's the name of the region. Kim Purushakya Varshe. Samsevito Hanumata Drida Bhakti Bhaja. Sitabhirama Paramadbhuta Rupashali, Ramatmakaha is there, so put a if to join. Ramatmakaf Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu. Yam Hyam Disham Bhajati Kim Purushakya Varshe Samsevito Hanumata Drida Bhakti Bhaja Sitabhirama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmakah Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu.
यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्य वर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्य वर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णु
यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्य वर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीतापि राम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णु यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्य वर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीतापि राम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णु.
Stanza 9. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. So next is coming to the Bharatavarshe, to the land of India. So in Bharatavarshe, he is saying Shri Naradena Saha. So Lord Narada along with Khanda Mukhehi, all your important devotees, all your most devout devotees, right? So you are now well worshipped, and they are now using Sankhya Yoga Nutibihi. So they are following the Sankhya philosophy, they are following yoga through all these various means. You are actually worshipped in this region, but primarily you are worshipped as Narayana and Narasakha. So Nara Narayana, right? Krishna. Narayana in this case is Krishna because Nara Arjuna Mari. So you are worshipped in that form as Krishna Mari, and you are here till Akalpa. Akalpa is the end of the Kalpa, so which is the end of Pralayam time. So till the end of the Pralayam time, you are in this region here in Bharatavarsha, and then please Sadhu Janabi Rakshi. So please protect all the virtuous ones, sadhus, right? Protect all the good ones. O Lord of the universe, protect everybody in this stanza. So Shri Naradena Saha Bharata Khanda Mukhyehi. So put a visarga at the end of that line and comma. mukyaihi. Next line is, if you have that, remove that out. So tvam sankhya yoga nutibihi is there, so put a is to join. Yoga nutibis samupasyamanaha, samupasyamanaha akalpa kalamiha sadhu janabhirakshi, comma, narayano narasakaha, so F to join it, narayano narasakaf paripahi bhuman. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्.
श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्.
श्रीनारतेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन्. श्रीनारतेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन्.
So iduvarikum all the varshas means regions here, all the varshas which are in Jambudvipa were covered, right? And if you see the map, right, pretty much we went through all of those. So the other map I sent out where all the other dvipas, other islands, right? So that's what is getting covered in stanza 10. So plaksher karupamai shalmala indurupam dvipe bhajanti kushanamani vannirupam kraunchemburupamatatavayumayam chashake tvam brahmarupamai pushkaranam nilokha. So in the Plakshwadeepa, which is kind of, if you look at the map there, it is South America. So in the Plakshwarupa, you are worshipped in the form of Arkha Rupam. Arkha is referring to sun. So you are worshipped in the form of sun in the Plaksha region. In the Shalmala region, Shalmala in the map, according to this map, is referring to the Australia region. So in the Shalmala region, you are worshipped in the form of Indu. Indu is referring to moon. So in the form of moon there. Then Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani. So in the island of Kushadvipa, which according to this map is a little bit on the southeast islands on the area. So in the Kushanamani region, you are worshipped in the form of Vakni, in the form of fire is a form of worship there. In the Krauncha Dvipa, which is North America, you are worshipped in the form of Ambu. Ambu is water. So in the form of water, you are worshipped in that. And then Shaka. So Shaka looks like Eastern Europe. So in the Shaka region, there you are worshipped in the form of Vayu, you are worshipped in the form of wind. And then in the Pushkara Dvipa, which is Africa, that region, Tvam Brahma Rupamai, you are worshipped in the form of Brahma. Now I don't know this is exactly how it is in Bhagavatam. Now I don't know in what context they are saying this, right? So Anil, if any of you can find out in what context this is said, then I'm also interested to know. But I couldn't find what that means. But that's what it says here. So Plaksher. So in that Plaksherka. Okay. So Plaksherka Rupamai Shalmala Indurupam, comma.
Rajesh, I have Plaksherkan irukku. Is it a long la?
Yeah, it's a pla. Yeah, you have to make it a long double A. Plaksherka Rupamai Shalmala Indu Rupam, comma, Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Banni Rupam. So that's a half her. So there are two, or some of these things in Sanskrit where, depending on who you ask, they will say different things. Some people say it's Vahni Rupam. You have to say the ich. Some people say no, ich is silent in this case. So it's just Vanni Rupam. So as far as I check, both are correct or both are wrong. You can look at it however you want. So we won't worry about
But
exactly.
it is not one he. It is not one he.
It's not one he for sure.
Okay.
It's Vahni, Vahni, or it is Vanni, Vanni. Are the possibilities, and that you have people saying both are, each one of them is correct. So anyway, so we'll say Vahni Rupam is also fine, Vanni Rupam is also fine. Kraunchembu Rupamata Vayumayam cha Shake Tvam Brahma Rupamai. If you have api in some books, change it to Brahma Rupam I. Some books had api. Brahma Rupamai Pushkara Namni Lokaha. Plaksherka Rupamai Shalmala Indu Rupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vanni Rupam Kraunchembu Rupamatavayumayam Chashake Tvam Brahma Rupamai Pushkaranam Nilokaha.
Plaksherkarupi Shalmala Indurupam.
Rupam I. Plaksherka Rupam I.
Rupamai. Okay, I have only Rupi. Plaksherka Rupa.
Rupam I.
Rupamayi, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Plaksherkarupamayi Shalmala Indurupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamni Banni Rupam.
Kushanamani. Pulma.
Kushanamani. Okay. Dvipe Plaksherkarupamayi Shalmala Indurupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Banni Rupam. Kraunchemburupamatabayumayam chashake Tvam Brahma Rupamayi Pushkaranamni Lokaha. Plaksherkarupamayi Shalmala Indurupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Banni Rupam. Kraunchemburupamatabayumayam chashake Tvam Brahma Rupamayi Pushkaranamni Lokaha.
Plaksherkarupamai Salmalayindurupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vanni Rupam Kraunchemburupamatabayumayam Chasake Tvam Brahma Rupamayi Pushkaranamni Lokaha.
Namish, the first line, Shalmala. Sha, not Salmala.
Okay. Plaksherkarupamai Shalmalayindurupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vanni Rupam Kraunchemburupamatabayumayam Chasake Tvam Brahma Rupamayi Pushkaranamni Lokaha.
Lokaha. Okay, on the end.
Tvam Brahma Rupamayi Pushkaranamni Lokaha.
This is one of those chapters which has got more than 10 stanzas. Sarve Dhruvadi Bhirudu Prakarai Grahaischa Puchchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshu Maravapusha Mahatamupasya Sandhya Surundhi Narakam Mama Sindhushayin. So first it was Jambu Dvipa, then it was rest of the Dvipas. So now it is going out of the earth itself and saying the Dhruva, which is a pole star. So Dhruva along with, and the Udup Prakare is a group of stars. So all of those stars together along with the Dhruva stars, and Graha is referring to the planets. So all of those are imagined as the Shimshumara is a name of a constellation which is like a full dolphin shaped constellation. So on the dolphin shaped constellation which is called Shimshumara, the tail or the end of that Shimshumara fish constellation is this hole in the, I forgot what is the English name of it, right? The Dhruva and all the other pole stars. So that is at the very end of that Shimshumara form. So there, so you are now, all of those, in those regions, you are meditated by the enlightened Mahatam Upasyaha, by all the enlightened sages. They meditate you in the form of that great fish Shimshumar at the 3 sandhyas, at each of the break sandhyas, in the 6 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. at the various sandhyas, you are meditated upon, O Lord. And so please eradicate Rundi Narakam. So eradicate all this hell, or eradicate the sufferings that I am going through. Okay, in this stanza 11. So Sarvair irukanga, Sarvair Druvadi Bhirudu Prakarai. So it's very difficult to break that because it is Sarvair Druvadi Bir Udu Prakarai Grahaischa. Appadinu break agumadu. So you might have to try to say it together. Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahaischa, not Grihaischa, it's Grahaischa, comma. Puchadi Keshva Bayavesh Vabhikalpyamanaihi. Puchadi Keshva Vayavesh Vabhikalpyamanaihi. Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatam Upasyaha, comma. Sandhyasu Rundi Narakam Mama Sindhu Shayan. Sarvai Druvadi Bhirudu Prakarai Grahaishcham Puchadi Keshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatamupasyaha Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhu Shayin.
Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahaischa Puchadikeshva Vayavesh Vabikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatamupasyaha Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhushayin. Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahaischa Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatamupasyaha Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhushayin.
Sarvai Dhruvati Bhirudu
Druvadi.
Sarvai Dhruvati Bhirudu Prakarai Grahaischa. Sarvai Dhruvati Bhirudu Prakarai Grahaischa Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vabusha Mahatamupasyaha Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhusayin. Sarvai Dhruvati Bhirudu Sarvai Dhruvati Bhirudu Prakarai Grahaischa Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vabusha Mahatamupasyaha Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhusayin.
So the third line, Ramesh, you double merge on Amari undu. Tvam Shimshumara Urumara. Shimshumar.
Tvam Shimshumara Vabusha Mahatamupasyaha.
Stanza 12. Patala Mula Bhuvisheshatanum Bhavantam Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham Neelambharam Dratahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Gurugehanatha. So now then we went to the skies to worship the ecosystem of stars there. So now is next going to the Patala. So in the region of Patala Mula Bhuvi, in that region, you are then worshipped as Adishesha, right? Or Balarama. Both together it's described here. So Shesha Thanum Bhavantam. So you are having the form of Adishesha in Patala Mula Bhuvi at the bottom of the Patala region, where you have Sahasra Shirsham, where you have thousands of heads. And then you're also saying you're also wearing a Neelambaram, you're wearing a blue garment, which is really referring to Balarama, right? So you're wearing a blue garment and then you're armed with a halam. Halam is a plow. So which is again indication of Balarama. So you're worshipped as Adishesha or Balarama in that region by all the inhabitants of that region. Oh, go Guru Gehanata, oh Lord of Guruvayur, eradicate all my ailments and diseases. So, Patala Mula Bhuvi Shesha Tanum Bhavantam, comma, Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham. So this is saying 1,000 heads, and each of those heads have one dangling kundalam or earring in that. So Sahasra Shirsham, Neelambharam Dhrita Halam Bhujaghanga Nabhir. So put a plus at the end of the third and fourth line. So Bhujaghanga Nabhir. There's a ir in the fourth line in some books. So move it to the third line. So Bhujaghanga Nabhir plus Jushtam Bhaje Hara Gadan Guru Geha Natha. Patala Mula Bhuvisheshatanum Bhavantam Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham Neelambaram Dhritahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Guru Gehanatha.
पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षं नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ. पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षं नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ.
ராஜேஷ், அந்த லாஸ்ட் லைன்ல எங்க கமா இருக்கு?
Comma illa. Comma illa. Last two lines are together.
Okay.
पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्टलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षं नीलाम्बरं कृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुहेहनाथ. पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्टलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षं नीलाम्बरं कृतहलभुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुहेकनाथ. நான் ஜுஷ்டம்க்கு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் பாஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
That's okay. I mean, you can the way the tune மாதிரி சொல்றதுக்கு you can say like Neelambaram Dhritahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan, right? Guru Gehanatha.
நாபிர் கொஞ்சம் டவுன் பண்ணா நெக்ஸ்ட் பிக் பண்ணலாம்.
Exactly. Nabhir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Guru Gehanatha.
नीलाम्बरं कृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुहेकनाथ.
Exactly. Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Okay, so let's go to 28, Nikki. Let's see, maybe we'll do a couple of stanzas. So 27, 28, 29 are all together, right? Technically connected to each other. But number one, the first time you only did the Kurma Avataram, which just saw how the Lord came in the form of a tortoise and kept the Mandara mountain there, and the Asuras and the Devas were all trying to churn, and then the God help. Adalam we saw in 27. 28 is what actually is coming out of the ocean, including Lakshmi Devi coming up, and Lakshmi Swayamvaram is happening in 28. And 29 is the Mohini Avataram is happening in 29. So the Moonume, they're all connected avatar, this thing stands, the chapters, right? So the last, let's see where we left, right? And then we'll start with 28. So the last stanza what? Udbramyad bahutiminakra chakravale tatram dauchiramati pinirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajaha samrajan pavanapuresha pahiroghat. So here it was saying that after all, there were multiple times where God had to come to help, and finally the asuras and the devas had got completely tired because they kept churning and nothing was coming out. And eventually, you, O Lord, took Vasuki the snake kind of with both your hands, and then you were beginning to churn. It ended up in 27. So let's start with 28. Garalam taralanalam purastate jaladherhudbijagala kalakutam amarastuti vadamodhanigno girishastannipapau bhavat priyartam. So first purastat, first, and out of this whole churning, what comes out from the jalare, from the water, is garalam. Garalam is referring to poison. So the poison is what is coming out first, and even that poison is coming in the form of kalakutam, which is extreme poison, right? So it is coming in the form of that kalakutam, which is because chala poison, right? Even like in the poison that is actually coming out of the snakes, right? If it is biting you with its fangs and then it goes directly into your blood, that is one level of poison. But in the snake saliva vara poison is not as potent because it's mixed with its saliva, so the potency goes down. So in the kalakutam, in the potency level, it's like the highest form of poison potency, right? So it is coming in the form of that black mass called hala hala is the name of the black mass. So it's kalakutam is the name of the poison, and that is like, it's like fire. It's fire mari, the poison is coming out of it. So then what happens, and we know the story, right? What happens then when this comes is none of them could bear the heat which was actually coming out of the poisons. So all the devas, right, they then run to Lord Shiva, and then they tell Shiva to kind of come and help, because Shiva is called Ashutoshi because he's immediately pleased. You can please him the fastest, right? So because that they wanted immediate action, they went to Shiva, and Shiva then came, and then you all know Shiva then consumed that poison, and that's why he's also called as in the Neelakanta, because he's got the throat, right, which is blue in color, because Neelakantam actually refers to peacock. That's the actual peacock Sanskrit word is Neelakantam, because if you look at the peacock or the throat, it's got that bluish blackish color there, right? So because when he consumed that poison, his throat became like a peacock, he's called Neelakanta. So anyway, so Shiva then came and then helped them out by consuming that poison. And then you all know then Parvati held her hand and that the poison kind of got stuck there. So that's what is referring to here is, so at that time they all approached Shiva, and Girishaha, which is Shiva, then came in, and then to here Bhattaripat says Bhavat Priyartam, to please you, he came and he consumed the poison and then saved the devas here. So Garalam, Taralanalam, Purastat, put a it at the end of that first line and a comma. Next line, if you have a half j, then remove that half j, and then it becomes Jalade Rudvijagala. So Jalader Udvijagala is the two words, but you can say it together. Jalade Rudvijagala Kala Kutam Amara Stuti Vada Modanigno, comma, Girishas Tan Nipapau, double na, Tan Nipapau, Bhavat Priyartam.
Rajesh, one doubt. Purastat Jaladheru Dvijagala, is it?
It's actually Jaladehe Udvijagala. Are the two words. The right word should be Jaladehe Udvijagala. But on the Jaladehe and Udvijagala, when you put it together, the joining letter is R. So that way it becomes Jalade Rudvijagala. அப்படி ஆடுறது.
Jalade Rudvijagala.
Yes. But the actual words is Jaladehe and Udvijagala. Garalam taralanalam purastate Jaladherudvijagala kalakutam Amarastuti vadamodhanigno Girishastannipapau bhavat priyartam.
Garalam taralanalam, right?
Yeah.
Garalam taralanalam purastat Jaladherudvijagala kalakutam Amarastuti vadamodhanigno Girishastannipapau bhavat priyartam. Garalam taralanalam purastat Jaladherudvijagala kalakutam Amarastuti vadamodhanigno Girishastannipapau bhavat priyartam.
Karalam taralananam purastat Jalaterudvijagala kalakutam Amarastuti vatamodanigne Amarastuti vatamodhanigno Girishastannibhau pavan priyartam. Girishastannipapau bhavat priyartam. Karalam taralananam purastat Jalaterudvijagala kalakutam Amarastuti vatamodhanigno Girishastannibhau bhavat priyartam.
Priyartam.
Yeah, oh, priyartam. Amarastuti vatamodhanigne Girishastannibhau bhavat priyartam.
And the first in the nigno, உங்களுக்கு nickname இருக்கா? Change it nigno, third line. Nigno, and then priyartam. Okay. So that's fine. As long as you corrected it, it's good. Okay. So I don't know if you guys have gone to this temple in the. So நம்ம சென்னையில இருந்து when you enter Andhra, this அங்க in the border there's a temple called as Pallikondeshwarar temple in சொல்லிட்டு. I don't know if you've heard of it. So there Shiva is actually in a lying படுத்துட்டு இருக்கிற posture. So like just like how Thiruvananthapuramல like Padmanabha Swami is in a lying down posture, Shiva is actually in a lying down posture there, and along with Parvati and everybody else there. So what the Aidhigam there is, after this Kalakutam was had, that's when the first Pradosham, it happened at the Pradosha Kalam. So adu mudinjittu Shiva then came to that edam அப்படினு ஒரு இது. So அந்த இடத்துல இந்த பிரதோஷ பூஜை வந்து it's like very famous for that time. I went there. சரி பிரதோஷம் போது போய் ருத்ரன் சொல்லலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு பிரதோஷத்துக்கு போனா நான் 1 ஹவர்லாம் முன்னாடி போனேன் ரமேஷ். நிறைய கூட்டம்லாம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு மனுஷன் இருக்கலாங்க.
What is the name of the temple? என்ன சொன்னே?
Pallikondeshwarar temple. Pallikondeshwarar. It's literally Chennai linde you'll go like an hour and a half, you just cross the border, and in fact you may want to park your car on the Tamil Nadu side of it, otherwise you have to pay the other entry la. So you can just park it on the Tamil Nadu side and walk like for 3 minutes you reach the temple. And the Pallikondeshwarar temple, I even have a photo of that, of Shiva paduthindiruppan ulla vandu you peek into the Garbhagraham, you can see full Shiva paduthindirupar, and walls la ella Swami and Naradar ellarum on the walls la they would have carved. It's very nice temple, but Pradosham aniki oru manushan irukkalanga, like completely empty. நான் மட்டும் உட்கார்ந்து சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்தது, you know,
exclusive divine.
I know. Second stanza. Vimatatsu surasureshu jata surabestam rishishunyathastridhaman hayaratnam abhudathe bharatnam dyutaruschaapsarasasureshu tani. So now konjama things are beginning to come out. So first the poison came, which Shiva took care of. So next, as they were churning Sura Asureshu, when Asuras and the Devas were both churning, first came Surabhi. Surabhi is referring to the Kamadhenu, which is the cow which gives everything. So since the first cow came, so then Vishnu, who was kind of the coordinator or moderator on that point, said, hey, cow and milk is going to come from, milk is going to be ghee, it is all going to be used for Abhishekam. So let's then give it to Rishishu. So, oh Lord, you then gave it to the Rishis. You gave Kamadhenu, so the Rishis can make use of the cow milk and the ghee and everything which comes out of that. So next from it comes Haya Ratnam. Haya. So Haya Griva. Remember, Haya means horse. So Haya Ratnam means the jewel among all the horses. So very powerful horse, which name is Uchchaishrava. Uchchaishrava is the name of that horse. That highest, that horse comes, and then Airavrata, the elephant, the white elephant comes out next, and then Kalpaka, the tree which is in Indra's garden, that Kalpaka Vriksham comes out, and then all the Apsaras come. So when all this comes, then the Lord then gives them all to the Devas, right, to Indra and all the Devas, because remember the Asuras are waiting for the nectar, Amritam, to come. So they are not carrying about any of these things. So the Lord just gives all this to Indra and all the Devas, and they get all of that. So Vimatatsu surasureshu jata, and then put a plus, surabis tam rishishu. So tam rishishu nyadhas tridhaman. Haya ratnam abhutateba. So Haya ratnam abhutateba ratnam, comma, Dyutarush chap sarasaha is there. So put a is, chap sarasas sureshu tani.
Rajesh, it's nya on the I think on the second line. Surabis tam rishishu nyadhasri dhaman, right?
Yeah, nyadhas tridhaman. Vimathatsu surasureshu jata surabistam rishishunyathastridhaman hayaratnam abhutadhe bharatnam dyutaruschaapsarasasureshu tani.
Vimatatsu surasureshu jata surabistam rishishu nyadasri dhaman.
Nyadhas tridhaman.
Nyadhas tridhaman. Okay.
Yeah.
Vimatatsu surasureshu jata surabistam rishishu nyadhastridhaman hayaratna madudad.
Hayaratnam abhudade bu da the bha.
Ratnam.
Yeah.
Hayaratnam abhutateba ratnam.
Yes, correct. Konjam tongue twister, the and ba mixed.
Hayaratnam abhutateba ratnam dyutarushchap sarasasureshu tani. Vimatatsu surasureshu jata surabistam mrishishu nyadastridhaman hayaratnam abhutate bharatnam dyutarushchap sarasasureshu tani. I guess I had to practice more on.
You know this, and this is a little bit turn ba mixing.
Vimatat sura suresh.
Vimatatsu.
Vimatatsu surasureshu jata surabhistam rushishi nayata siddhasman.
Mrishishu, Mrishishu.
Okay. Rishi. Okay. Vimatassu surasureshu jata surabhistam rushishu nayata sritaman.
Nyadhas.
Nyadastritaman.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Vimatassu surasureshu jata surabhistam rushishu nyatatastritatman.
You think you're putting an extra the there. It's just Nyadhas Tridaman.
Rushishu nyatastritaman.
Correct, yeah.
Right? Rushishu nyatastritaman. Hayaratnama bhutate paratnam Dridatuschap sarasu sureshu dhani.
And the Kadasi line is Dyuta.
Dutarus chap saresh
Sarasas.
chap saras sureshu dhani.
Sarasas. Dyap chap, Dyutarush chap, Sarasas.
Chap sarasas sureshu dhani.
Taniya.
Vimatashu surasureshu jata surabhistam rushishu nyatasastritaman hayaratma bhutate paratnam diyurutsap
Dyuta.
dyutarutsap
Dyuta.
Dyutarut chaps saras sureshu dhani.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Yadastri, some word, the starting and the, I think something, just check, you can practice later, but I think something will, Nyadadas you are saying. You are saying double the on the second line.
Neyatas tritaman.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Third stanza. Jagadisha bhavat paratadhanim kamaniya kamala bhabhuva devi amalam avalokyayam vidolaha sakalopis prithayam bhabhuva lokaha. So now finally, or not finally, but the main, if you think here, so now bhavat para, the one who is completely devoted to you, the enchanted, Kamaniya, the beautiful or good looking, Kamala Bhabhuva Devi. So Lakshmi Devi is now emerging out of this ocean. So this is the actual incarnation of Lakshmi Devi, right? So Lakshmi Devi is next coming out of this ocean. And Malam is referring to impure. Amalam means completely pure, opposite of Malam. So by seeing her Amalam Abalokya, by looking at her completely pure form, so Sakalopi, everybody there is like enchanted and fascinated by that. And then Sprihayam Bhabhuva Lokaha, the whole world is now filled with desire for her by looking at her pure, beautiful form. So Jagadisha Bhavatpara Tadanim, comma, Kamaniya Kamala Bhabhuva Devi Amalam Avalokya Yam Bilolaha Sakalopi Sprihayam Bhabhuva Lokaha. Jagadisha Bhavat Paratadhanim Kamaniya Kamala Bhabhuva Devi Amalam Avalokyayam Bilolaha Sakalopis Prihayam Bhabhuva Lokaha.
Jagadisha Bhavat Paratadanim Kamaniya Kamala Bhabhuva Devi Amalam Avalokyayam Vilolaha Sakalopi Sprihayam Bhabhuva Lokaha. Jagadisha Bhavat Paratadanim Kamaniya Kamala Bhabhuva Devi Amalam Avalokyayam Vilolaha Sakalopi Sprihayam Bhabhuva Lokaha.
Jagadisha bhavat paratatanim कमनीया कमला बभूप देवी अमलामवलोक्ययां विलोलः कै सकलेऽपि
sakalopi
सकलोऽपि स्पृहयां बभूवलोकः जगदीश भवत्परा ततानीं कमनीया कमल बभूप देवी अमलामवलोक्ययां विलोलः सकलोऽपि स्पृहयां बभूवलोकः.
We'll just do one more and then we'll stop today, and you just have to say it one time, otherwise we run out of time. त्वयि दत्तहृदे तथैव देव्यै त्रिदशेन्द्रो मणिपीठिकां व्यथारीत् सकलोपहृताभिषेचनीयैः ऋषयस्तां श्रुतिगीर्भिरभ्यषिञ्चन्. So once Lakshmi Devi comes, then one level of battle begins of who she's going to get. So first one, the Tridashendraha, Indra, who is now completely, captured by her. So he now somehow wants to win Lakshmi Devi. So having set his heart on her, Indra then gives her Mani Pitikam. So gives her a throne which is filled with jewels. And then the rishis who are all there, so they then, because looking at her form, they then decide to do abhishekam for her. So they then, with all the things that they have available, so they now start or purify her or make her sacred, or in the I forget, in the Christianity, what do they call it, or the Jews, right, where they kind of make them sacred initially by sprinkling water. So and the Mari, the rishis are now beginning to do abhishekam, so they're correcting all the things for that. So Tvayi datta hride tadaiva devyai, tridashendro mani pitikam vyatharit sakalo pahrutabhishecha niyaihi abhishecha. Remember the word abhishecha. Pahrutabhishecha niyaihi. So put a visarga at the end there. Shechaniyaihi, comma. Next, the risha மேல ஒரு இருந்ததுனாக்கா remove that ir out. Rishayastam shruti girbir abhyashinchan. Girbir abhyashinchan. So just say one time, Sangeeta and Ramesh. Tvayi datta hride tadaiva devyai tridashendro manipītikam vyatharit sakalopahrtābhishechaniyaihi rishayastam shrutigīrbir abhyashinchan.
त्वयि दत्तहृदे तदैव देव्यै त्रिदशेन्द्रो मणिपीठिकां व्यथारीत् सकलोपहृताभिषेचनीयैः ऋषयस्तां श्रुतिगीर्भिर्, right?
Girbir
अभ्यषिञ्चन्.
त्वयि हृदे तथैव देव्यै त्रिदशेन्द्रो मणिपीठिकां सकले सकलो बृहतापिशेषनीयै ऋषयस्तां श्रुतिगीर्भिरभ्यषिञ्चन्.
So in the third line la abhishechaniyaihi visarga irukanga.
सकले
sakalo I'm not able to hear Ramesh. I don't know if it's my side or
இல்ல எனக்கும் I couldn't hear it.
His voice is breaking.
Yeah, voice break ache. Anyway, so you check the recording, Ramesh. Voice பயங்கரமா break ஆனது இந்த கடைசி the stands at, so I couldn't understand. But anyway. Okay. All right. So we'll stop the class here then. सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।